Hello friends, welcome back. We are discussing about the muscles of the hand region. So now we are discussing about muscle of the thenar region, right? So in this we have discussed already two muscles, right? Which muscles? The abductor pollicis brevis and the adductor pollicis. Now we are going to discuss about the flexor pollicis brevis. Flexor pollicis brevis. It will cause the flexion, right? So flexor pollicis brevis muscle. Let's see. It's a muscle of the hand region. It is located in the thenar region, right? The flexor pollicis brevis muscle in the thenar region. It's a little bit triangular in shape, right? You can see here triangular in shape. Flexor pollicis brevis is short, broad, intrinsic muscle of the hand region. It is located in your thenar region. What is the origin? If you talk about the origin, it has a superficial head and it has a deep head, right? Superficial head and deep head. So this is flexor, this is flexor pollicis brevis muscle. It has superficial head and it has deep head. Its superficial head gets its origin from flexor retinaculum tubercle of trapezium bone. From where? From tubercle of trapezium. And its deep head gets its origin from the trapezoid and capitate bones, right? And what is its insertion? It inserts into the lateral aspects of the base of proximal phalanx. Proximal phalanx, right? So that's why when it contracts, it will cause the flexion of your pollicis, right, or thumb. What is its actions? At carpometacarpal and metacarpophalangeal joint, it causes the thumb flexion. Thumb flexion. This is the flexion movement. And what is its blood supply? It is supplied with superficial palmar artery, princeps pollicis artery. Princeps pollicis artery means the main artery which comes towards your pollicis or thumb. This is princeps pollicis artery, and the radialis indicis artery. Radialis indicis artery means the artery which comes towards the index finger. Okay. Its innervation, it gets its innervation from 2 points. Its superficial head is innervated by a recurrent branch of the median nerve, and its deep head is innervated by ulnar nerve. Superficial head innervated by median nerve and deep head is innervated by ulnar nerve. So you can find all these stuff here in this diagram, right? So this was about, friends, the flexor pollicis brevis muscle. Three muscles we recorded in the thenar region. Which one? The abductor pollicis brevis, adductor pollicis, flexor pollicis brevis muscle, right? The next lecture we will record the last muscle which is present in your thenar region. So see you guys there.